Wanted to let you know about some of the deals that we have available here for you at John McKee Pre-Owned. You're going to want to come see all these. 2014 GT Mustang 5.0, gotta have it green. 2014 Mustang V6 in the gray color. 2012 RS Camaro 45th Anniversary Edition. 2012 Camaro SS Convertible in the silver with the gray leather interior. 2012 Dodge Charger RT, black on black. 2011 Dodge RT Challenger, orange with the black interior. And then last but not least, a 2011 Dodge Challenger with red and white leather interior. Where can you get these and all the other great cars, trucks, and SUVs? Only one place, John McKee Pre-Owned in Bossier City.